Good morning, teacher and judges. Today, my group is going to present The Rainforest. That's a Reader Theater script by Liza Bloch. Narrator number 1 is
Kenneth Monroy.
Narrator number 2 is Narrator number 3 is
Isaac Morrison.
Narrator number 4 is myself, Alma Erazo. Narrator number 5 is
Caleb Yoli.
and narrator number 6 is
Juan Montero.
Good morning. Welcome to our presentation called The Rainforest.
The rainforest is a forest of tall trees in a region where it's warm all year and the rainfall is plentiful.
Rainforests can be found in regions of Africa, Asia, South America, and Central America.
Rainforests stay green throughout the year. There are more kinds of trees in a rainforest than any other area in the world.
The tallest trees in the rainforest grow as tall as 200 feet.
The tops of trees form a covering of leaves called the upper canopy.
The top of the smaller trees form a layer called the lower canopy.
The trees of the rainforest provide fruit, lumber, and many other useful products, including important medicine.
Many animals make their homes in the rainforest. Some of these animals spend their lives in trees and never descend to the ground.
Like bats, gibbons, monkeys, squirrels, parrots, and toucans eat the fruits and nuts found in the upper and lower canopies.
Several kinds of anteaters, monkeys, opossums, and porcupines also live in the rainforest.
Some animals live on the floor of the rainforest: antelopes, deers, hogs, toppers, and many kinds of rodents live on the forest floor.
Chimpanzees, jaguars, butterflies, spiders, and ants are abundant in the rainforest.
People have destroyed large areas of the rainforest by clearing the land for farms, cities, and mining.
Scientists estimate that over 20 acres of rainforest are destroyed every year.
The destruction of the rainforest will lead to the elimination of hundreds and thousands species of plants and animals.
It is up to all of us to find ways to help save the rainforest.
We hope you have enjoyed learning about the rainforest.
The end.
Thank you.
Thank you.